Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line up. We go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Line. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Line and you will click here. As you see, if you find update in this plus sign, then we will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.